Man, bro, this is trippy, bro. Oh, there they are. Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Are you guys gonna skip school tomorrow?
Yeah, bro. I gotta work on my jump shot. We meet at the usual court, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What time, bro?
About 6 p.m.
Yeah,
Alright.
usual time.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, what do you guys want to eat now?
I think KFC or something like that.
Yeah, but like there's a Lotteria close.
You guys hear something?
Wait,
I think I heard something.
here's something.
There, I suppose. What?
You mean that gate right there?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Let's go check it out.
Whoa! What's that? Is that a sound?
I think we should break in.
I don't feel safe about this, bro. I don't think we should break in.
Someone might need help. I think it's best we get in.
Nah.
Going in there, bro. There's not gonna be someone behind this gate. It's kind of like mythic. And I'm not feeling safe about this, but I don't think we should break in. It's not like a kill itself.
No.
What do you think?
I don't think anyone but a human can reach this down. So I get it.
There can be something falls off the tree.
I think that's unlikely. I think it's best we check it out.
You sure, bro?
Yeah, I'm sure. We are going back.